Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a swim lane in Lucidchart. Swim lanes are incredibly useful for organizing workflows and visualizing processes across different departments or team members, making it easy to see who's responsible for each step in a process. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to lucidchart.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on the Lucidchart dashboard. From here, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll find various options for managing your documents. Click on the button that says Plus New. This is where you'll initiate the creation of a new diagram. A menu will appear with different document types. Select Lucidchart from the options. Then, click on Blank Document. This gives you a clean canvas to work with, perfect for building your swim lane diagram from scratch. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Lucidchart loads your new document. During this brief loading period, Lucidchart might suggest some recommended templates to help you get started faster. If you prefer to create your swim lane without a template, simply close this suggestion window and continue with your blank canvas. Once your document is fully loaded, look to the upper left sidebar where you'll find the Shapes panel. Navigate to Shapes, then click on the Search button. In the search field, type Swimlane. This will filter the available shapes and bring up all the swimlane related options that Lucidchart offers. In the left panel, you'll now see various swimlane templates. Browse through them and drag your preferred swimlane option directly onto your canvas. The swimlane will appear on your workspace, ready for customization. Next, you'll want to personalize your diagram. Click on Add Title at the top of your swim lane. This allows you to enter your preferred title that describes what this particular swim lane represents, such as a department name or process phase. You can also edit the default name that says swim lane by double-clicking on it. Once you do this, the text becomes editable, and you can enter your preferred text to make it more specific to your workflow or organizational structure. Now that your swim lane is set up, it's time to populate it with your process steps. In the upper left corner, click on the back arrow that appears beside the Shape search. This takes you back to the main Shapes menu where you can access flowchart elements. From here, drag your flowchart shapes into the swim lane to map out your process steps and create a complete visual workflow. And there you have it, you've successfully added and customized a swim lane in Lucidchart. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.